Good morning, students. So today we will start a new topic. Okay. So the name of the topic is using the taskbar in MS Windows. Okay. So this is your taskbar. Okay. This particular bar, after opening the window, you will see a bar is there at the bottom of your screen. Okay. So this is your taskbar. So what does taskbar contain? Number one, there is a start button. Okay, then this is the middle section. Here you can pin different applications in your computer. Okay, so see, this is the middle section and this is the notification area. Okay, so certain apps that are running over here, this is the notification area. Suppose you have antivirus, torrent downloads, etc. And at the last you can see there is a button name show desktop button. Okay, so if you are working on this screen and you want to see the desktop, you will just click on this button, then your desktop will be shown. Okay, so this is the show desktop button. Okay, so I have explained this. Now we will explain it in detail. Okay, so see, taskbar. What is a taskbar? Taskbar from the base of the desktop. Okay, in the horizontal strip at the bottom of the desktop, this where the open files and program appear. Okay, it helps to work more efficiently and remove the clutter on the desktop. Okay, so it with the help of taskbar you can do certain things. Okay, easily. Suppose you are using a program that is being used frequently by you. Okay, suppose this Google Chrome. Okay, so instead of putting an icon on the desktop, you will just put this on taskbar. Okay, so certain space is saved on your desktop screen. Okay, because you have put this on your taskbar. Okay, so if you click on this, just one click, your Google Chrome will open. Okay, now see the start button, the middle section and the notification area. So let us read this what it is written. Okay, so see the start button opens a menu called start menu. So you'll click on this, the start menu will open. To open the start menu, we click start button, then press Ctrl plus escape key. Okay, so you will just click on the start button. This is not required. Okay, to click on the start menu, you will just click here. Okay, this control plus escape is not required. Okay, to display a list of application install. Oh, okay. So this is required because this thing was related with this. Sorry for. Okay, so see, to open the start menu, we will just click on the start button and we click start button or press Control or escape key. See, to display the list of applications installed on the computer, we will click on this all programs option in the start menu. So after opening there, clicking on there is a section called all programs. Okay, so all the programs installed on your computer you can see over there. Okay, now next we come across this middle section, means this section. What is the middle section? See, the middle section displays the program that are opened. So these are the programs that are open in the computer. Okay, so what are this? This is your VPN, Siphon, Google Chrome, Windows Picture Viewer, and this Microsoft Word. So these are the programs that are currently running in your computer and that are opened. Okay, so this is the middle section. Okay, then you come across the notification area. This is the notification area. What does the notification area say? The notification area on this on the right side of the taskbar. So right side there is a notification area. It is used to show icons of programs that are in the background, like clock, antivirus and scheduling programs. So that are running on the background. Some programs in your computer, there are some programs that are running in the background. Okay, so you can see them on the notification area. Okay, and last we come to the show desktop section. Okay, so the show desktop button is towards the rightmost end of the taskbar and is used to show the desktop at any point of time. Okay, so it is at the rightmost and you clicking on this you can see what see the desktop at any time you want. Okay, now see, you come across a new topic. This is minimize and restore windows. Okay, so what is in minimize and restore windows? Okay, so minimizing means what? See, if you are doing a task, suppose you are editing a picture, now you want to watch a video on YouTube, so you will just minimize the editing program. Okay, so if you minimize it, it will go on the taskbar. Okay, and you want to watch video, then you will open Google Chrome or this your any web browser, then you will watch the video here, but your editing program or anything that you are working earlier will be minimized. Okay, you click on this minimize button. Okay, see there is it is minimize button and it will get minimized over here. Okay, now see, if a Windows is in the active state, its taskbar button appears pressed down. Okay, so it is in the active state, then this taskbar button will not see there is certain you see no, this is a border is created. Okay, so if that application is not opened in your computer, then this you will not see this border. Okay, see there is a border. Okay, so you will not see this border. Okay, so whenever you see this border, you will identify or you will know that something is running. Okay, this application is running on your computer. Okay, so see, is the taskbar button appears, press down and clicking on the taskbar button minimize the windows. Okay, now see, on minimizing the windows disappear from the desktop but doesn't close it or deletes its contents. Okay, so you are working on this, you will just minimize it. It doesn't mean that it is closed. Okay, it means that you have temporarily stopped working on that particular application. Okay, so this is the thing explained here. Okay, so on minimizing the windows disappear from the desktop but doesn't close it or delete the contents. It merely removes from the desktop temporarily. So it is a temporary thing. Okay, temporarily it will go over here. Okay, so see, we can also minimize the window by clicking on the minimize button in the upper right corner of the window. So we will just click on it and it will get minimized. Now to restore, what we will do, you will again click suppose you have first of all I told you that you are editing a photo and you are watching a video on YouTube how to edit a photo. So after you have watched the video on YouTube to how to edit the photo, after that you will just click on this minimize option, you will just click on this, then this thing will again be opened on the screen. Okay, so this particular thing is known as restoring. Okay, so see, to restore a minimized window, that is to make it appear again on the desktop, we need to click on the taskbar button. Okay, so you will click on this taskbar button, that is the middle section of what the program that was minimized. You will click on it and it will get open again. Okay, okay, now you will learn, see, working with multiple windows. Okay, so multiple windows are there. Okay, suppose in the this middle section you have opened several applications. Now how to view it? Okay, so we can open as many windows we want. Okay, taskbar helps to work with multiple windows at the same time. Okay, so you can means the windows has a feature to the windows is a feature of multitasking. Okay, you can work effortlessly on different application you want. Okay, so there are certain what to say, these are certain options that are given on Windows how to work more conveniently. Okay, you can work in a easy way on Windows. Okay, so see, this is the style, what is the style, and this is the action. Okay, so you have to open the cascade window. Step 1, what you will do, step 1, right click on taskbar. Okay, step 1, what you will do, you will right click on this taskbar. Okay, you will first of all you will right click on the taskbar, then second what you will do, first of all you will right click on this taskbar. Then step 2, you will select this cascade windows option. Okay, from the taskbar menu choose the cascade window. Okay, so first of all you will right click on the taskbar and from the this task from this menu, from the taskbar menu choose the cascade window option. So if after clicking on this cascade window option, see, your all the tabs open here will appear like this. Okay, so this is known as cascading. Okay, and the feature, after clicking on this cascading windows, it will appear like this. Okay, so see, cascade windows appear as shown in the figure 3.15. This is your figure 3.15, and this is how a cascading windows appear on the screen. Okay, to show windows side by side, we click on the option show windows side by side from the taskbar menu. Okay, so there is also other options given. Okay, so side by side option is somewhere down there. Okay, now this it's under this tab. Okay, so if you want to show side by side from the taskbar menu, see side by side windows appear in figure 3.16. so this is how your side by side window will appear. See, this is one application, this is another application, this is another application. See, cascading, it appears like this, like the books in your pages. And while this side by side windows, while you have clicked this side by side option, the windows of different application will show like this. Okay, so go through this video, students, and only one topic is left from this chapter that I will be explaining in the next class. Okay, so the stacked option, and there are some few more topics that I will explain it in your next class. Okay, so go through the video, students, and if you find anything confusing, just write your name in the comment box and your question along with it. Okay, thank you.